Hello, my name's Ian and today I'm going to show you how to make a rear sling mount for your AR15 rifle out of paracord. Things needed for this project are a buttstock which has a sling loop underneath not impeding the buffer tube, about 10 feet of 550, scissors, and a crack lighter or any other lighter. Begin with your buttstock. You're going to take the string, lift the buttstock up, you're going to pull it through. Like that. There you go, around the back. Take the long piece, go over this original piece, go behind the buttstock, go through. At this point, I like to take the slack out a little bit. And I like to put this underneath this loop. Pull the slack out. Take your long piece. You're going to go back through the front. Take it around. Go through that loop. Go around the back. Go back through. This time it goes through the front. Go underneath the loop again. You can do this as many times as you want to fill up that space. I like to settle on 5 strings. So I like to cut it, get all the slack out, just pulling on it. Scrunch it all up to the back. Once you've done that, you just do a figure 8, kind of low. This paracord is going to stretch a little bit with use, so if you do it low, it'll end up higher and just like a few hours of use, but not by much. Right, now you have your knot, cut, leaving enough string to fray and melt. I like to fray it with my finger. Because it's frayed out like that, the plastic's going to stretch out more when it melts, covering more area. So when you make your seal, it won't break. Let it burn. And then flatten immediately with metal. You now have a buttstock sling attachment point.